Hello everybody, this is Ellie from Elfsight. Let's build your Form Builder widget and install it on your website with no coding in less than 2 minutes. Let's jump in and see how it works. Go to elfsight.com and open the Widgets menu. Find Form Builder, then click Create Widget to open the live editor. From here, you can start building your widget right away. Start by choosing from dozens of ready templates to define the basic look of your form. Now, let's explore the editor and see what you can customize. In the Build Form section, you can generate a form with AI or add fields manually to shape your form the way you like. In Email tab, set up notifications for yourself and automatic replies for responders. Then open Layout to choose the embed type, adjust the form width, and select a vertical, horizontal, or multi-step layout. In Appearance, pick a light or dark scheme. Customize colors, fonts, and various form elements to match your website's design. Then go to Settings to define what happens after submission. Enable spam protection, set the language, and add any custom JS if needed. Finally, check Integrations to connect your form to automation services. Finish the setup and hit Add to Website to move on. Sign up or log in to your account. Click Publish. Then choose the free plan to continue. You'll see a pop-up with your installation code. Click Copy Code. Now you can install the widget on your website. If you need more detailed instructions, you can check out our tutorials, where you'll find step-by-step guides on embedding widgets into specific platforms, pages, and templates. Your widget can also be shared via a direct link. If you'd prefer not to set it up yourself, simply ask for a free installation from our support team. We'll take care of all the technical steps and make sure your widget is up and running. Now let's see how to add the widget to a specific page of your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the Pages section. Find the page where you want to display the widget and press Edit. Next, in the editor, choose where you'd like the widget to appear. Click Add Block and select Custom HTML. Paste your installation code into the HTML block and save the changes. And that's it. Your widget is ready for visitors. All set in just a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video, support Elfsight, like, subscribe, and ask us anything in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.